In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hubspot. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to HubSpot's world, logging into your account can be a breeze. Let's go through the process step by step to ensure you get set up without any hiccups. First, you'll need to head to HubSpot's homepage, open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to HubSpot's main website where you can explore various tools and services offered by this comprehensive platform. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to look for is the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will guide you to the gateway of accessing your account. After clicking login, you'll find yourself on a new page specifically designated for entering your credentials. Now, if you prefer a quick and streamlined login process, consider signing in with Google. This is especially helpful if you already have a Google account linked to your HubSpot account. On the login page, you should see an option labeled Sign in with Google. Go ahead and click on it. You will then be redirected to a Google sign-in prompt. Here, you'll see a list of Google accounts that are currently active or you have previously used on your browser. Choose the email associated with your HubSpot account by clicking on it. It's crucial to select the right account to avoid any login errors. If your correct email isn't listed, you can add it by selecting the Use Another Account option and entering your details. Once you've logged in using your Google account or your regular HubSpot credentials, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, which we often refer to as the HubSpot home. This is your command center where you can access all the features, tools, and information you need to effectively manage your marketing, sales, and service processes. In case you experience any difficulties while logging in, such as forgotten passwords or access issues, HubSpot provides support options directly from the login page. Don't hesitate to make use of these resources to resolve your problems and gain access to your account swiftly. And there you have it. Logging into HubSpot is that simple. Remember, a seamless login experience ensures you can focus better on your tasks within HubSpot, whether it's managing contacts, tracking sales, or creating content. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and I hope you now feel confident about logging into your account. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and tips on making the most out of HubSpot. Stay tuned and see you next time.